A quick disclosure, I earn a commission if you click the link in the description of this video and form your LLC with Busy. So, you're ready to start an LLC in Georgia, but don't know where to begin. I'm here to walk you through the entire process, covering the essential steps and other important information you need to know to set up your Georgia LLC. And guess what? It can be done in just a few minutes. Plus, I'll share some helpful tips to help you avoid common mistakes and unnecessary fees. By the end of this video, you will see how simple it can be. Now, I get it. Starting a business can be scary. You might be worried about losing your savings or messing up the paperwork. But here's the thing. Forming an LLC in Georgia is actually pretty straightforward and comes with some great benefits. You'll protect your personal assets and potentially save on taxes. Trust me, it's worth it. Let me break it down for you step by step. It's easier than you think, and you can do most of it online. Oh, and I've got a special tip that could save you both time and money. I'll reveal that later, so make sure to stick around. So, ready to get started? Let's dive in and set up your Georgia LLC. Naming your Georgia LLC, more than just words. All right, let's talk about naming your Georgia LLC. This might seem simple, but trust me, it's more than just picking a cool name. Your business name is the first thing people will see, so it's crucial to get it right. Now, in Georgia, there are some specific rules you need to follow. First off, your name has to include limited liability company or LLC at the end. This isn't just a legal requirement. It also lets everyone know what kind of business you're running. But here's where it gets interesting. Georgia has an 80-character limit for LLC names, including spaces and punctuation. That might sound like a lot, but it can be tricky if you're going for something really unique or descriptive. You've got to make every character count. Let me give you a tip. Keep it simple and memorable. Avoid using weird spellings or super long names. You want something that's easy to say, easy to spell, and easy to remember. Think about it. If someone can't pronounce or spell your business name, how are they going to find you or recommend you to others? Now, once you've got a name in mind, you need to make sure it's available. You don't want to fall in love with a name only to find out someone else is already using it, right? That's why it's super important to check if your chosen name is up for grabs. Now, here's how to do it. Head over to the Georgia Secretary of State's website. They've got a business name search tool you can use. Just type in your desired name and see what pops up. But here's the thing. This search isn't 100% foolproof. It's a good start, but it doesn't guarantee your name is completely unique. Oh, and here's something a lot of people forget about: domain names. Even if you're not planning to build a website right away, it's a smart move to check if your business name is available as a domain. You don't want someone else snagging your perfect web address while you're busy setting up your LLC. Now, what if you find out your dream name is taken? Well, don't worry, you've got options. One thing you can do is file for a doing business as or DBA. This lets you operate under a different name than your official LLC name. It's like having a stage name, but for your business. Remember, your business name is more than just a legal requirement. It's the start of your brand identity. It's what people will remember, what they'll tell their friends about, and what they'll search for online. So, take your time with this step. Brainstorm, get creative, but make sure you're following all the Georgia rules. The unsung hero of your LLC, the registered agents. All right, remember that special tip I promised earlier? Well, it's time to reveal the unsung hero of your LLC journey, the registered agent. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Registered agents? That sounds boring. But trust me, this seemingly small detail can make a huge difference in how smoothly your business runs. So, what exactly is a registered agent? Think of them as your LLC's official point of contact with the state. They're the person or company that receives all the important legal documents and official correspondence for your business. It's basically like having a dedicated mailbox for all the serious stuff. Now, here's where it gets interesting. In Georgia, your registered agent needs to have a physical address in the state and be available during normal business hours. This is super important because if someone needs to serve your LLC with legal papers, they need to know exactly where to find your agents. Now, you've got a couple of options when it comes to choosing a registered agent. You can be your own agent, ask a family member, or hire a professional service. Now, being your own agent might sound like a good way to save some cash, but let me tell you, it comes with some risks. First off, if you're your own agent, your personal address becomes public record. Not ideal if you value your privacy, right? Plus, you've got to be available at that address during business hours. That means no long vacations, no sick days, and definitely no forgetting to check the mail. Imagine you're in the middle of an important meeting or worse, on a beach somewhere and you miss a crucial legal notice. That could spell big trouble for your LLC. And let's be real, do you really want to deal with all that paperwork on top of running your business? And this is where professional registered agent services come in handy. They're like having a reliable friend who's always there to collect your important mail. These services ensure you never miss an important document and they keep your personal information off public records. But here's the best part, and this is that special money-saving tip I promised you. So some services offer a free first year of registered agent service when you form your LLC through them. That's a pretty sweet deal if you ask me. Using a professional service isn't just about convenience. It adds a level of professionalism to your business. It shows clients and partners that you are organized and reliable. Plus, these services often come with extras like compliance reminders and help with state filings. That's like having a personal assistant for all of your LLC paperwork. Making it official, filing, and beyond. All right, now it's time for the exciting part, officially forming your LLC. This is where all your planning starts to become a reality. We're going to file the Articles of Organization, which is basically the birth certificate for your business. It's a pretty straightforward process, but there are a few key things you need to know. In Georgia, you'll be filing Form CD-030. Don't let the form number intimidate you. It's actually pretty simple. You'll need to provide some basic information like your LLC's name, the name and address of your registered agent, and whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed. Now, if you're not sure about the last part, most small businesses go with member managed, where all the owners are involved in running the business. Now, here's a pro tip. File online if you can. It's faster and cheaper. The online filing fee is $100, while mailing it in costs $110. But the real advantage isn't the processing time. Online filings usually take about 7 business days, while mailing can take up to 15. That's more than twice as long. And let's face it, when you're excited about starting your business, every day counts. Once you file your Articles of Organization, you're officially an LLC in the eyes of Georgia. But there's still some important stuff to take care of. First is your operating agreement. Now, Georgia doesn't legally require you to have one, but trust me, you want this. It's like a rule book for your LLC. It outlines how your business will be run, how decisions will be made, and what happens if there's a disagreement. It's super helpful for preventing conflicts down the road. Next, you'll need to get an EIN. That's your employer identification number. Think of it as a social security number for your business. You will need this for taxes, opening a bank account, and hiring employees. And the good news? It's free and easy to get online through the IRS website. It literally takes a few minutes and you'll get your EIN right away. Now, I know all this paperwork might seem overwhelming, but here's the thing. Once you've done these steps, you've laid a solid foundation for your business. You're protected legally, you're set up for taxes, and you're ready to start operating as a real official business. Securing your LLC's future. Essential next steps. All right, you've got your LLC set up. Great job. But don't kick back just yet. There's some important stuff you need to stay on top of to keep your business running smoothly. First up, annual registration. In Georgia, you gotta file this every year between January 1st and April 1st. It's super important. If you forget, you'll get hit with a $25 late fee. And if you keep forgetting, your LLC could get dissolved. Not fun. But the good news, it only costs $50 to file and you can do it online. Easy peasy. Now, let's talk about money. One of the biggest perks of an LLC is keeping your personal stuff separate from your business stuff. But you gotta actually do it. So get a separate bank account for your LLC right away. It'll make your life so much easier come tax time, and it keeps your personal assets safe if something goes wrong with the business. Oh, and don't forget about licenses and permits. Depending on what kind of business you're running, you might need some special paperwork. Do some research or talk to a pro to make sure you're covered. Trust me, it's way better to figure this out now than to get in trouble later on. Look, I know all this legal stuff can be a headache. That's why a lot of people use professional services to help set up and manage their LLCs. If you want to save time and make sure everything's done right, I recommend checking out Busy. They can handle all this paperwork for you, plus they offer ongoing support to keep your business compliant. If you use my link in the description of this video, you'll get a special deal from me. I hope this video was helpful. Good luck with your LLC, and I'll see you soon.